Arma! Design fast, design tough.
Sometimes. Whoa! Whoops! Oh boy! Oh no! What's going on, boys and girls? Today we're gonna unbox the TRX-4 Bronco. Not like this truck is anything new. This has been out for a few years, but you know, a little tardy to the party, but we want to do an unboxing video anyway, so we'll get it out of the box, drive it around a little bit, and see how it does. So this truck, like we said, isn't new, but just to hit some quick features, this has got remote locking differentials, high and low range tranny, of course. It's got the Canyon 1.9 tires on it. It's got cruise control on the remote. Yeah, I mean, the big thing, of course, is the portal axles, which basically you have gears in your hubs on the insides of the hubs, which allows the axles to be positioned higher in the truck. So that's going to give you more ground clearance. It's a 10 scale crawler. Everything's in the box except for the battery and charger. So we're going to run the TRAXXAS 6400 milliamp hour 3S pack in it. Got that all charged up. And yeah, let's get it out of the box and see how it does. So are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Start cutting. The controller there.
Yeah.
So yep, we got our controller with locking diffs, I think. That's the locking diff button. Button maybe for a winch or accessories. Hold on. What's that now?
We have to turn that around. It's
Okay, so it is upside down. All right. This must have been a Friday job. Careful now. All right. Oh, hold on. What are you doing? Don't step on the tools. Okay. So, of course, comes with your standard TRAXXAS tools, like pretty much all TRAXXAS vehicles do. Your Allens, your lug wrench, your decals, all that sort of thing. So, let's get this plastic off and check out this body. Love the red and black. Hopefully, we don't have any issues with this from the factory. I saw some people having issues with the bodies and getting dinged up and all that from the factory. And pull it out carefully. You make sure the plastic's not caught. All right, hold on, those horses. Let's put it on here first.
I don't have any horses.
Yeah, I could tell. All right, so I got two of the body clips here. Get the plastic in here. Let's see here. Are these all, okay, this is all protective cover, it looks like. All right. Do you want to do the honors of carefully peeling off the cellophane here? All right, so carefully and slowly peel it off. Is this one of those parts that's so satisfying?
No.
No? Oh, I thought everything was satisfying these days.
Not everything.
Okay.
Not everything, most things.
I see. I'll have to learn. Oh, hold on. I think that's a different piece of cellophane, honey. This here, and let's get it from the other side. Yep, peel it off from over there. And go around the front. Yep, that's perfect. I'll take that. So that's there, and then you've got, hold on. Okay, then you're gonna get the one around the bumper?
Yep.
Oh, look at that body. I like the K5 Blazer as well, but I really liked the Bronco. Did you get that off the bumper okay?
Yep.
All right.
All the plastic is off.
Let's go around to this. Here, you want to get the you want to get the cellophane off of that one?
I cried for too long. It makes my legs hurt.
Oh, okay. Look at that battery tray. I think that's going to fit Lots of different batteries. All right, you got that one.
Yipper.
Very good. Do you want me to take the rest off the top here? Peel
I'd do
this.
that.
Ooh, look at that.
Okay, that's satisfying.
Oh, hold on. You're leaving pieces here behind. You gotta, yep. And don't just throw those on the ground. We gotta make sure we pick up. Okay. All right, now gonna pull that down. Hold on, make sure you get the whole thing.
Daddy, it's so shiny.
Ooh, yeah. Look
Like
at
a
that
mirror.
gloss.
It's an RC mirror.
Ooh, baby. All right, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty. Let's get the rest of this cellophane off over here. Yeah. Whew. I thought I saw, or I thought I only saw 2 body clips. Unless I'm blind, which is a distinct possibility. Okay, yep, the other ones are in the tools bag, so the rest of your body clips are there. I think you just had 2 of them holding it on when it came packaged there from the factory. Get the rest of this last little, I don't even think it's any cellophane, it's just the adhesive.
Want me to get the whole Daddy battery pack? Daddy battery. I came up with this.
Oh, you got the whole battery pack? All right.
Want me to get the whole battery pack?
Okay, yeah. Let's put that down over there. Ooh, this battery tray is, yeah, you push this down to unlock the battery tray. The arm swings up. Okay, so here to put the batteries in the controller, we just slide the tray off the back.
I call them bunny batteries.
Yep, they are the energizers.
Call them bunny,
1, 2. All right.
bunny Max.
3, 4.
I couldn't read it.
Battery's good. Controller's good. Controller on. Boop. Got power. All right. Let's toss a battery in it.
Got a
See
piece
that,
of
hon?
plastic, Daddy.
Okay. So let's
What's in there?
first make sure this guy will fit. Okay, get our little warning card off of the ESC lead.
No, after eating.
All right. See if that, boy, I don't know, actually.
Sally.
That's a pretty good size battery tray.
Sally, blow.
Yep, it looks like it's got to be one of these smaller packs, so I'm going to have to get one of these charged up and get you guys back on after that. Holy cow, it's fast. Okay, slow down.
Remember, you don't drive it like that. It's a crawler.
I was going to say, get some good pictures of it. Yeah, just stay. Whoa!
Yeah, I'd say don't do that, Dunk.
It's all right. As long as we're on the grass, can't do too much damage.
I'm saying for the motor's sake.
That's faster than I thought it would be.
Oh, it's a 12-turn brush motor. Okay, nothing gonna kill that motor. Nice and slow. There you go. Oh, oh. Okay, you can go forward.
Sure.
All right.
Nice, sir. It already is pretty. Daddy, it can go under me really fast.
Here, bring it over here. See, I'm gonna. Oh, you two-wheeled it. Bring it over here so you get a sunset picture.
Daddy, look.
There you go.
car, I haven't seen nothing by 124 since.
Right? Oh yeah, your rear's not locked now, I don't think. There you go. Now you might be high centered. Might need a little, yeah, you'll need a little bit of wheel speed to get over that, just a bump. Yep.
Come over this one,
Yeah, I was
off
gonna
of
say-
that. So put that tire right over that. There you go. Might want to turn and come down.
Yeah, come down, it's got a roll maybe otherwise. There you go, you got it. God, I know it's inevitable, but it's such a good looking body.
Pretty soon it'll look like all the Ford Broncos.
Alright.
A little quicker to walk behind than the other one.
Yeah, that's the one thing with God is the speed advantage.
I didn't see you coming in here.
Why wouldn't you feel safe? I'm very curious. Well, you don't need to worry about kicks. It was not really.
That's the bumper.
You probably want to put
I'm
it.
not putting a scratch on
At
it.
least you can get a picture.
Probably want to put it in low though.
Yeah, get one with the sun peeking through. It's pretty fast for brush. And being a crawler.
Oh, it is brushed?
Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to go that slow with brushless unless it was a censored setup.
Which all the crawlers have. The brushless.
Yeah, there's no way to go slow unless you're censored.
What year is this supposed to be off?
79, I believe. Go do a little.
I think right about here is the steepest you're gonna get.
I mean, this thing can probably go up.
Oh yeah. All kinds of crap. Easy now. Really
Killer.
taking a chance on the
It's
driver.
only blacktop, Tom.
Right?
You don't-
It's not like it scratches.
at first, when I was walking up, I saw STO and not A.
Oh,
I thought she made the racetrack stop right at your car.
nice.